Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm sorry I have the hiccups, but today I'm just extreme cleaning the kitchen. Right now I am doing the dishes, and if you guys could comment, like, and share, I would greatly appreciate it. I am from Ohio, I am 30, and I am a wife and a mom of 3. I have a almost 9-year-old boy. He is my stepson, and I have a 7-year-old little girl and a 6-month-old little girl as well. If you want to know more, comment below or tell me about yourself, where you're from. Maybe also, what is your favorite season? I love fall and winter time, especially because of Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, of course. But I'm going to play some music, and I will talk to you guys in just a little bit. everybody else does this, being a mom of still a baby with formula. I prep water bottles for the whole next day and even like the night time. Sometimes it lasts to the following day as well. This honestly just helps a ton. If I can give any advice to any moms, especially doing formula, to do this method and get also one of those formula like dispensers. If you can afford one of those expensive like formula machines, do that. That's great. But we've never used like warming up the bottles or anything because our baby doesn't really like that. She's been, regular lukewarm, temperatured bottles since she was born. And I'm just wiping off the table, and I'm going to end with, thank you for watching my video. I know it's been a long time since I've been uploading. Hopefully I can continue doing videos, but they might be here and there. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and turn the notification bell on, and also follow me on social medias. It is on my page, linked on there. Thank you, and have a great night.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away.